Hello, my name is John Canavan. Most people know me from the work that I've done on differential controllers for solar thermal applications. So you may be wondering why I'm now building cool controllers. On the surface, a differential controller looks the same as a cool controller, but a differential controller automates a net heat gain from sunlight, and a cool controller automates the cooling of a walk-in cooler with the help of an air conditioner. A cool controller forces an ordinary air conditioner to get cooler than normal by tricking the air conditioner sensor with a heater probe. The heater probe keeps the air conditioner on longer than its original design. When the air conditioner cooling fins approach the freezing point, the cool controller shuts off the AC to prevent ice from forming and blocking airflow. This shut-off temperature is adjusted with the cool controller. Walk-in coolers are becoming increasingly important for restaurant owners, farmers, and anyone interested in extending the shelf life of perishable foods. A sensor probe from the controller will tell the fan when to shut off. I set the shut-off temperature at 65 degrees Fahrenheit. This is about the best we can expect from a block of ice supplying cold air. As I mentioned before, this ability to shut off the air conditioner at a preset temperature prevents the AC fins from frosting up and blocking airflow. Now that we understand the basic concept of a walk-in cooler and a cool controller, let's take a close look at a working model. Okay, our walk-in cooler system is all ready to demonstrate. All we have to do now is add a block of ice to this chamber over here, and magically it becomes an air conditioner. When the fan goes on, it's going to pull cold air from this chamber into the walk-in cooler. And we're going to monitor the temperature right here. You see right now the temperature in the walk-in cooler is 77 degrees. When it gets too cold, it's going to shut the fan off. Now we're not going to be able to bring that temperature down to 35 degrees, but we should, it's been adjusted so that when it does get cooler, it'll turn the fan off. I don't remember exactly what temperature that is. But this is just a demonstration of how the cool controller works. So we'll put a lid on our system and turn on the fan. So the temperature starts off at 77 degrees. Now it's down to 76.5, 76. So the walk-in cooler is getting cooler. Let's see what temperature the sensor turns the fan off at. 74.9, 74.3. 73.8. There we go. Okay, the cool controller finally shuts off the air conditioner at 68.8 degrees Fahrenheit. We could, of course, adjust our cool controller to shut off the AC at 35 degrees Fahrenheit, but I doubt our block of ice could generate that much cold air. Here's one idea for a walk-in cooler designed to keep vegetables fresh. I'm sure you have some ideas of your own. A Cool controller is available from my website, jc-solarhomes. Thank you for your time, and stay cool.